Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have owner or editor access. Do that now. Gather proof of ownership, such as business registration, recent invoices, and a photo ID. This is what platforms check. Once done, note platform-specific identifiers, numeric account ID, property ID, or handle. Make sure recovery emails and phone numbers are current, because a verification code often unlocks progress. These preliminaries speed the whole restore process and reduce back and forth with support. Next, you open the platform's recovery or support form and complete every required field, because missing data delays outcomes. Attach clearly labeled PDFs of your documents and add a short cover note explaining the situation, concise, factual, and dated. Select the correct issue category and set priority if available. Include a phone and email you actively monitor. Once submitted, track the ticket ID and set reminders to follow up within 48 to 72 hours. Finally, follow the support agent's instructions closely. Approve verification prompts and accept any ownership transfer steps when asked. Once control is restored, immediately update passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Make sure team roles and permissions reflect your current needs. If the request is denied, don't panic. Collect any missing documentation, submit an appeals form, and escalate politely while documenting every message. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification emails never arrive, check spam, deny autofilters, and confirm DNS/SBF records if relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.